My favorite farm animals. There are a lot of farm animals. Can you guess what sound is this, friend? Neigh. Yes, that's right. It's a horse. Horse is a farm animal. They love to eat grass. I like to ride horses. They are called Snickers and Apollo. Can you guess what sound is this, friend? Cluck, 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 cluck. Yes, that's right. It's a chicken. Chicken is a farm animal. Chicken can lay eggs. I like to eat fried chicken with lots of crunchies. I also like to eat chicken feet. Chef Mugi cooked the chicken for me. Can you guess what sound is this, friends? Moo, moo. Yes, that's right. It's a cow. Cow is a farm animal. Cow can produce a lot of milk. I drink cow milk every day. It's good for your body. Do you like to eat chicken like me, friend? Do you drink cow milk every day, friend? Thank you for listening to my story. The end. Thank you. Bye.